Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put a password on profile in Netflix. So if you want to put a password on your profile in Netflix just to add up a little bit of security sense on your profile, here's how you can get it done. First thing you have to do is sign in and open your browser and go to Netflix, sign in to your account, then go to account settings, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. Manage your profile. Scroll down to the profile and parental control section and click on the profile you want to protect. Now click change next to profile lock. Enter your Netflix account password. Check the box that requires a PIN to access that profile. Enter a 4-digit PIN of your choice, then click on save to apply changes, and that is how you can successfully put a password on profile in Netflix. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.